Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a voiceover because I recorded this at like 5 o'clock in the morning and I was tired and I don't have the energy to get up and be all jolly and stuff. So whatever. But this is the Car Beauty palette that I'm going to be using. I can't remember which one this is. I want to say this is like the ES 120 or maybe ES 119. Either one, they're kind of like the same anyway. But yeah, I'm going to be using the browns out of here just to do a buildup of the browns. And then we're going to go into like this gold color. You guys have probably seen this on my channel previously. This is like my go-to look, but people wanted me to upload it. So here we are. So I'm using the browns in the palette to kind of blend this and build this up. The browns in the palette, there are only two in this palette. It's like a medium brown and then like a deep dark brown. So those are the two browns that I'm using, and I'm just building that up inside of my crease. Like I said, this is going to be super simple. This look I used to do back in the day all the time, like when I was in a rush, and I've been waking up late. If y'all don't know from my previous videos, yeah, I've been waking up super late. So we got to get in and get out. So once you have the browns built up, you're not going to go in with the gold color. I thought that I showed the palette from Juvia's Place. The golds in there, actually all of the colors in there are super pigmented, but I used the gold to just go right over on top. I did not put down any excess primer or anything. I'm literally just laying that right on top just to get in and get out, and I guess kind of like fake a cut crease, if that makes sense. Oh, my brows, under them I did use the Kylie Cosmetics almond concealer, and then on my lids I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. Y'all know I use that in everything. So yeah, but basically the eyeshadow is done. Like, we're just gonna add some lashes and just move on with our lives. Like, it's nothing too special. So for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline because I am completely out of L'Oreal. And at this point, I am completely out of my Maybelline as well. So I am like trying to mix it and make it work. I told y'all in my last video there are a lot of brown skin women in my area and they keep taking my shades. I went to Ulta yesterday and they did not have anything. I went to Target on Sunday. They did not have my shades. So tomorrow I'm not really sure what I'm going to do because I don't have any foundation at all. But you know, we going to make it work. Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm applying my Kylie Cosmetics Butterscotch right under my eyes to brighten them up. And I've literally just been using like a little bit of concealer, not too much at all. And then for my forehead, my nose, and under like my chin or whatever, I've been using the almond in the Kylie Cosmetics too, and I've tried to use like this new little sponge to blend out, and I don't like it. I don't like that at all. Like, I just felt like it was like splotchy and stuff, so I did go back in with a little bit more concealer just to darken it up a little bit. So to bronze my face, I did use the Juvia's Place bronzer duo that I always use, and it's in the shade Deep Dark, and I just bronzed my skin, and that was literally it. I baked with the Makeup Revolution um, banana setting powder. Lord, I can't think of what I'm trying to say. But I baked with that, and now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place brownie liner, and I'm just applying that. If you guys need like uber details on this, I do this in every single video. I'm a creature of habit, so I use the same products over and over. When I change them, I let you know. But literally, I've been using these same products, especially on my face, for my foundation and stuff like that. Same product. So if you guys have questions or anything, just feel free to go check out the other videos where there are more details and it is more in depth. Of course, the lipstick I'm going in with is my Nude Embrace. Y'all know this is like one of my favorite. Like I said, if you guys have questions, view the other videos. I am a creature of habit and all of this is repetitive, okay? So for the people that's always here, I'm trying to shorten it up for y'all. But I'm going in with the Nude Embrace. I'm sorry, Nude Lust. And that is literally it for the rest of the look. I'm going to, just beat out the rest of my face by blending out that powder. But that's it, girl. If you like the video, make sure you guys subscribe and like it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye. For those who are wondering, I do not use setting spray on my face anymore because I just like the matte look better. I don't know. I feel like when you use the setting spray, it kind of gives you more of a dewy look and it looks like, I don't know, it just make it all blend in too much. You know what I'm saying? Like I kind of carved it out the way that I wanted to and I kind of wanted to stay that way, but that is just me. I personally just do not use it anymore. And because I have oily skin, I have noticed that throughout the day, I'm not as oily and my makeup does not separate as much. So yeah, I'm not encouraging you not to use it. I'm just telling you I don't use it no more.